I want to give you a quick overview of our 4.5-inch radius arm drops for the 23 and up Super Duty trucks. It's part number 105131. It's going to come in all of our 450 and 250, 350 4.5-inch lift kits. So this is going to set our caster at 5.5 degrees at 4.5 inches of lift. We've got adjustable caster in our aluminum beam arms too via a cam bolt on the bottom up here. But the starting point, neutral on the cam bolt, is going to be 5.5 degrees of caster. These things are extremely strong, so we go to both factory holes in the frame with a 3/4 inch bolt on both sides. That lets us get double the clamping force without having that sleeve in there. And then we add a tab bolt through a hole in the frame up here. We drop a 1/2 inch tab bolt down to suck this whole thing up to the frame rail. And in the rear of this, we're going back to the transmission cross member, dropping a big 5/8 inch bolt through there. So we've got 4 bolts, 4 points of attack. Integral component of our 4.5 inch kit. It's going to get caster right, make sure the truck drives right, as well as get a neutral bar angle on the radius arm here, so it drives just like it did at factory height. So if you have any questions, let us know.